Why hello there Year 10, welcome to your video tutorial on the area of circles and sectors. Okay, what is it? Yes, you have to write this down. No, I don't care about how this is the biggest problem you've ever had to do. Okay, write it down, it's not going to kill you. Like its circumference, an area's circle is linked to pi, this fancy number pi, okay? The area is the product of pi and the square of the radius. Product means multiplication. Basically, that's how I work out area. Area equals pi r squared, or pi times the radius squared. This is the problem. Unlike circumference, where we could use the diameter or the radius, we had the choice. We were like, hey, you can use either, it's all good. Area, can only use the radius, okay, because you're squaring it. You can only use the radius. So if you get given the diameter, halve it to get the radius and then work out the area. Cannot use the diameter. It is not pi times the diameter squared. No. It is pi times the radius squared, or pi r squared. Okay, so if you get given the diameter, halve it first to work out the radius and then plug it into the formula. Okay? At the start I said it was areas of circles and sectors. Quick refresher, sector is part of a circle, it's not the whole thing. Okay, it's a portion. Remember, when we're working with part of something, it's a fraction, okay? A fraction of a circle. So we work out the area of a circle, same formula, pi r squared, or pi times your radius squared, okay? But before that, you need to say, okay, how much of the circle do I have? What fraction of pi r squared, okay? Because you're asking, okay, I have a fraction of the circle. Of means times. What's the fraction? Multiply it by the formula. That's your formula for a sector. Oh yeah, PS, write that down. Okay, find the area of a circle. Okay, I'm judging you today on, we worked on doing the correct working out with area yesterday, so I'm going to assume you just do your working. Okay, that comes stock standard. Today, not only are we going to do our working correctly, but we're going to be, I'm caring about you putting the answer in the correct format. So area equals pi r squared. Formula first. Area equals pi times 3 squared. Subbing in correctly. Okay? Formula, subbing in correctly. Area equals pi times 3 squared, which gives me an answer of 28.27 meters squared. Okay, so that was to 2 decimal places. My answer originally was 28.2743. Okay, what I'm checking to see is that you have this 1 meters squared written correctly. This is a meters measurement. I am giving my area. Okay, not only am I giving my formula and subbing in correctly, but I am rounding to 2 decimal places and I'm giving my area in meters squared. Look at the next one. What do I notice about this one? Oh, lo and behold, I have given you the diameter. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is I need to go, it's 1.06 kilometers, so 1.06 divided by 2 gives me 0.53. Okay, so I'm going to keep that figure up there, 0.53. Okay, if it's 1.06 from here to here. Okay, to work out half of that, I've just divided it by 2. Okay, area equals pi times the radius squared. Area equals pi times 0.53 squared. Area equals, this is the bit I'm judging you on today, okay? Correctly giving the answer and rounding it. If I put that into my calculator, I get an answer of 0.8824, okay? That, I'll just quickly write that down, I'm going to rub it out, 8824, okay? That correct to 2 decimal places, bam, bam, look to the 2. The 2 is less than 5, so they just get deleted, okay? So my answer becomes 0.88 watt. 0.88 watt kilometers. Okay? It's not around the outside. It's not saying it's nearly a kilometer around the outside, or 0.88 kilometers. It is area. It's how many square units are on the inside. So my answer is always in squares. Okay? That's what I'm judging you on. Find the area of a sector. Boom. Sectors, part of a circle. Not rocket science, pretty easy. Same formula. Okay? Pi times the radius squared. But this time we've got the portion of a circle. Okay? Again, I'm going to use this theta symbol to represent the degrees. Theta, not fetus. Okay? I'm going to sub in correctly. Area equals, okay, this bit tells me that it's 60 degrees here. 60 divided by 360 times pi times my radius, which is 10, squared. Okay, if I'm doing that correctly, 60 over 360 is a sixth. Okay, let me plug this into my calculator. Okay, and I get my answer of 52.359, okay? I'm checking to see that you guys are putting this correct. So 52.359 gets rounded to 356. Okay, and I'll rub that out. 52.36 watt. 52.36 watt meters. It's area squared. That's what I'm checking to see today. I assume that you know how to do these. I want to see them there. But I'm checking to see that you are giving your units in the correct way. Meters squared. And that's it, guys. That's area of circles and area of sectors.